Hi everyone, this video is on pattern multiplication. So pattern multiplication is to study how the radiation patterns has been obtained over the antenna arrays. It gives the field pattern of an array of non-isotropic identical elements. So it has been formed from the product of pattern of single element into pattern of array of isotropic point sources which are having same location and progressive phases as of non-isotropic point sources. So this is what pattern multiplication. So in pattern multiplication we are multiplying the pattern of a single element and a pattern of array of isotropic point sources. So in other words, we can tell the pattern multiplication as the radiation pattern of an antenna array be the product of radiation pattern of a single antenna, the element factor f1 of theta comma pi multiplied by an array factor where number of elements is present, which is given as fa of theta comma pi, that corresponds to the pattern that constitute the array. So the pattern multiplication has been given as f of theta comma pi is equal to f1 of theta comma pi into fa of theta comma pi, where f1 of theta comma pi is a single element radiation pattern, where fa of theta comma pi is the array factor which constitutes an array of isotropic point sources. Radiation pattern of array of isotropic point sources. So this is the example of pattern multiplication where array of two infinitesimal elements of lambda by 2 spacing is present. So see here, when the one antenna element has been considered, it has been given as En of sin theta into cos pi by 2 into cos theta. Sin theta is given by one element where cos pi by 2 into cos theta is the multiple elements. So sin theta gives a waveform like this. See here, one array element is given over here. This is the multiple array. Whenever multiplying these two, the phase and amplitude has been multiplied. So it gives an amplitude bidirectional pattern with normalized E value, that is magnitude value. So in the same manner, if you see with the cosine theta, that is in a vertical plane, En is equal to cos theta into cos pi by 2 dot cos theta. So for this cos theta single element array with a cosine, that is vertical plane, it is having the H shaped pattern with cos pi by 2 into cos theta will be the pattern which is from the array. So when we multiply these two, the median phase value, median amplitude value has been taken just like this. So this is the example of pattern multiplication.